The universe just shifted today. A revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope has sent ripples through every corner of the scientific world. Humanity's most powerful eye in space, capable of peering billions of years into the past, has now seen something far closer, far more urgent, and entirely unexpected. An object once catalogued as 3I, Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar visitor ever to enter our solar system, is now on a collision course with Mars. For decades, astronomers have imagined what would happen if a traveler from another star system met one of our own worlds. Now, that thought experiment has become a prediction, and soon, it will become reality. When 3I, Atlas was first detected, it was considered a curiosity. Unlike comets born within the solar system, it came from deep space, a place where suns and planets form under different laws of chemistry and pressure. Its path was strange, its composition alien. Scientists rushed to analyze its light, measuring every wavelength reflected from its frozen, carbon-rich surface. They knew they were looking at something ancient, a shard of another world that had wandered across interstellar darkness for millions of years. At first, it seemed harmless. A silent traveler just passing by. But Webb saw something others missed. Its infrared eyes tracked the subtle drift in 3I, Atlas's orbit, tiny deviations invisible to Earth-based telescopes. The data told a single, unavoidable truth: this object wasn't simply passing through. It was falling. Its path intersects Mars with mathematical precision. Across the scientific community, silence gave way to awe. A direct impact between an interstellar object and a terrestrial planet isn't just rare, it's almost unimaginable. Mars, already scarred by ancient collisions, is about to face a new visitor from beyond the stars. The implications are staggering. 3I, Atlas is thought to span several kilometers across, a massive body hurtling through space at tens of kilometers per second. When it strikes Mars, the energy released will rival the largest impacts in planetary history. The explosion will light up the thin Martian sky, excavating a crater that could stretch across hundreds of kilometers, visible even from orbit. For the first time in history, humanity will witness a planetary collision in real time. The James Webb Telescope, along with orbiters already circling Mars, will record every moment, from the first flash of contact to the dust clouds rising across the red plains. Instruments aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Trace Gas Orbiter, and even Perseverance may capture the aftermath as dust storms ripple outward, reshaping landscapes we've studied for decades. Mars's fragile atmosphere offers almost no defense. Where Earth's air burns up most meteorites before they strike, Mars stands naked beneath space. The impactor will hit the surface at full velocity, transferring its kinetic energy directly into the crust. The shock waves will race through the planet, registering on seismometers, perhaps even those left behind by the InSight lander. Scientists believe it will generate seismic signals so strong they could reveal new details about Mars's interior, its crust, mantle, and even the elusive core. A cosmic accident doubling as a natural experiment. And beyond the physics lies the chemistry. Because 3I, Atlas is not just rock and metal. It carries the frozen memory of another solar system. Its dust and ices hold complex organic molecules formed in the cradle of an alien sun. When those molecules meet Martian soil, even for a moment, they could create new compounds never before seen in our solar system. For astrobiologists, this is a dream. A direct delivery of interstellar material onto a planet that already shows signs of ancient water and possible past life. Even if the collision sterilizes the surface, traces of alien chemistry will linger, samples that rovers and orbiters can analyze for decades to come. The implications reach deep into the question of panspermia, the idea that the seeds of life might travel between worlds on the backs of rocks, comets, and dust. If molecules from another star system can survive the journey and integrate with Martian soil, it strengthens the theory that life's chemistry could spread across the galaxy, bridging vast distances in silent exchange. But this event is more than a scientific milestone. It is a cosmic reminder of how connected everything truly is. When the first interstellar object, Oumuamua, passed through our system in 2017, it stunned astronomers. The second, 2I, Borisov, confirmed that such wanderers were real, icy bodies ejected from distant suns. But now, with 3I, Atlas not merely passing by but striking a planet, we see something unprecedented. The galaxy is not a collection of isolated islands. It is an ocean of motion, with fragments crossing between stars, carrying stories from one solar system to another. And now, one of those fragments will write its story upon Mars. The crater left behind will be unlike any other. It will not be ancient or eroded, but fresh, born before human eyes. A geological wound glowing with data, preserving the memory of impact, energy, and transformation. Future explorers who walk the Martian surface will see it as a monument, the site where the universe reached across the void and touched another world. The cultural echo of this event is already immense. Mars has always been a symbol of conflict, of curiosity, of human destiny. The red world we dream of visiting is now the stage for a cosmic encounter beyond imagination. Artists imagine the serenity of a silent planet waiting under a pale sun, then, a flash brighter than anything seen from its surface in eons. A foreign traveler descending in fire. It is beauty and violence in perfect balance, a story of creation through destruction. For planetary defense experts, it's also a warning. Interstellar objects do not announce their arrival. They come from unknown directions, travel faster than any comet we know, and leave little time for preparation. Mars may be the target this time, but such an event proves that even the inner planets are not beyond reach. 3I, Atlas reminds us that the solar system is open to the galaxy, a cosmic crossroads where traffic flows in all directions. And through Webb's precision, humanity now has the means to see it happen before it happens. From a million miles away at L2, the telescope's instruments cut through cosmic noise to pinpoint the object's orbit, revealing a destiny written in mathematics. It's a triumph of technology and collaboration, the kind of achievement that generations of scientists once only dreamed about. The entire world will watch together as this unfolds. Space agencies, universities, and private companies are coordinating data streams across continents. Telescopes on Earth, satellites around Mars, and observatories in space will all focus on one moment, the instant when alien stone meets red dust. For the first time, humanity will witness an interstellar object collide with a planet, not as speculation, but as a recorded, measurable, and shared event. It is more than astronomy. It is a moment of connection, between worlds, between eras, between species looking up at the same sky. The countdown to impact is not only a scientific clock. It is a symbol of how far we've come as observers of the cosmos. From the first telescopes to the vast mirrors of Webb, we've evolved from wondering what's out there to understanding how it all moves and interacts. And when that moment arrives, when 3I, Atlas meets Mars, it will be more than a collision. It will be a conversation between galaxies, written in dust and light. The universe does not just show us its wonders, sometimes, it lets us watch creation unfold. Mars is about to bear witness to something extraordinary. And through Webb's gaze, so will we. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.